This is the era of the modern man, a man who understands his worth. He's confident, he's kind, and he knows how to treat a woman right. But he also understands the subtle nuances of human interaction and uses them to his advantage. He knows how to make a woman want him, need him, and ultimately respect him, and the secret lies in understanding the psychology of female obsession. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. We're not talking about some sleazy pickup artist tactics here. No quick tricks or cheap illusions. We're going deep into the science of attraction. This is about understanding how to be the best version of yourself and using that to create real connections with real women. So let's get started. Part 1. The Psychology of Obsession. Before we dive into our 7 psychological tricks, it's crucial to understand the psychology of obsession itself. What makes a woman fixate her thoughts and emotions on a particular man? The answer, as with many things in life, is complex, but research suggests that it comes down to 3 primary factors: emotional stimulation, anticipation, and the illusion of depth. Women are biologically programmed to seek partners who can provide both excitement and stability. Think about it. If a man can keep her guessing, keep her on the edge of her seat, she'll find him irresistible. At the same time, she needs to know that he's reliable, that he's a man of his word. Striking this balance is key to creating that obsessive pull. Part 2, trick number 1 to number 3, mental framing, mystery, and selective attention. Now that we've got the foundation laid, let's dive into our first 3 tricks. These tricks aren't about manipulation. They're about presenting yourself in the best possible light while respecting the woman you're interacting with. Trick number 1, mental framing. How you frame your thoughts and beliefs shapes how others perceive you. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm just an average guy," try, "I'm a man with a lot to offer." This shift in mindset can significantly impact how women see you. By reframing your thoughts, you become more confident, more attractive. It's all about the way you package yourself. Remember, it's not what you have, it's what you project. Trick number 2, controlled mystery. Women chase what they can't have. Think about it. If a man lays all his cards on the table, shows every emotion, every thought, he becomes predictable, boring. Controlled mystery keeps them guessing, keeps them wanting more. It's like a fine wine. The more elusive it is, the more valuable it seems. Leave a little bit of mystery in your eyes, a hint of intrigue in your voice. Let them wonder about the man you are, the man they can't quite figure out. This will only make them want to know you more. Trick number 3, selective attention. Women love attention. There's no denying it, but too much attention can be overwhelming. Too little, and they might feel ignored. The trick is to find that sweet spot, to give her just enough attention to make her feel special without making it seem like she has you wrapped around her little finger. Look into her eyes, smile at her, engage in conversations, but also know when to back off, when to let her come to you. This will create a sense of value around your attention, making it all the more meaningful. Part 3. Trick number 4 to number 6, emotional echoes, unspoken challenges, and conversational depth. Now let's move on to the next 3 tricks. These tricks are about creating a bond, a connection that goes beyond the superficial. Trick number 4, emotional echoes. Think about the last time someone made you feel something deeply. Maybe it was a good feeling, maybe it was a bad one, but either way, you remember it, don't you? Emotions have a way of sticking with us, shaping our perception of the world around us. By tapping into this phenomenon, you can create experiences that leave a lasting impact on a woman's mind. Tell stories that evoke emotions, ask questions that make her think, share opinions that challenge her perspectives. The goal is to become a catalyst for emotional growth, to be the man who makes her feel more, think more, and ultimately remember more. Trick number 5, unspoken challenge. Women love a challenge. It's a well-known fact. But how do you provide that challenge without being evasive or aloof? Here's the trick. Show her that you're not afraid to stand up for what you believe in, to go after what you want. Be unapologetically yourself. Let your actions speak for you. When you're driven, focused, and determined, you present yourself as a challenge, a puzzle she'll want to solve. And that's when the obsession begins. Trick number 6, conversational depth. Small talk is the enemy of attraction. It's bland, it's boring, and it kills chemistry dead. So how do you avoid it? Simple. Ask questions that lead to deeper conversations. Instead of, how's your day going? Try, what's been the highlight of your day so far? Instead of, what do you do for work? Try, what are you working on right now that's exciting? See the difference? You're not just making conversation, you're creating connections, weaving a tapestry of shared experiences and emotions. Part 4, Trick 7, the reverse vulnerability effect. Now we come to the final trick, and it's a game changer. The reverse vulnerability effect is a psychological phenomenon where appearing vulnerable increases the perception of a person's attractiveness and trustworthiness. But here's the twist. We're not talking about opening up to every Tom, Dick, and Harry. We're talking about controlled vulnerability, revealing just enough to create a sense of intimacy, but not too much to make yourself appear weak. Think about it. Women want a partner who's confident, yes, but they also want someone they can relate to, someone who's real. By showing controlled vulnerability, you're doing both. You're showing them that you're confident enough to be vulnerable, that you trust them enough to open up. And that is a powerful thing. This isn't about being fake or putting on an act. It's about revealing the real you, your hopes, your dreams, your fears. This trick is like the last piece of a beautiful puzzle. It adds depth, complexity, and authenticity to your character. And when done right, it can create an obsession that's hard to break. Why does this work? Every trick we've discussed is rooted in solid psychology. It's based on attachment theory, neuro-linguistic programming, and social cognition. These are well-studied phenomena that have been backed by years of research and countless studies. Attachment theory tells us that humans are wired to seek closeness and connection. Neuro-linguistic programming shows us how our language and communication styles shape our interactions. Social cognition explains how we perceive and interpret the behavior of others. All of these psychological principles come together to create a fascinating picture of human interaction, especially between men and women. By understanding these principles, you gain a powerful tool set. It allows you to navigate the complexities of human relationships with more ease and grace. It's like having a secret weapon in the dating world. But remember, it's not about using these tricks to manipulate or control others. It's about self-improvement, about becoming the best version of yourself. When you do that, when you understand the psychology of female obsession, you naturally become more attractive, more compelling. And that, my friends, is the real secret to winning her over. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting us. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss out on our upcoming videos. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.